Hello all. In this video, we will see how to use COUNTIFS function in Excel. So here I have this table which is a sample which is having a sample data. So in this exercise what we have to find out, we have to find out in every country how many product have a discount band of high, low and medium. So we have to find out the count. So one way of doing and finding out this solution is using a pivot table. And second option is to filter it and then manually check for every data. For example, I am filtering on country, Canada, and then I am checking for high as a discount band. So now this will give me, so I have to just select the whole column and it says 53. So now this is how manually we have to do. Another way is by using a COUNTIFS formula. Okay, how to do that? I've just make a small table which says country on the left hand side on the all the columns, and on the right hand side on the rows I have the discount band. So I'll just applying the COUNTIFS function, COUNTIFS, and then it will ask for the criteria range. So my first criteria is where I have to apply the filter on the country. So I've selected the range. Second, it will ask for the criteria. What should be the criteria? I am just giving an option as a value, reference as a Canada. And then I can again select a second criteria range, which will act as a second filter. Now I am giving a discount band, the whole column. And then I am giving as high. And just putting a bracket close. And we can add multiple filters in this table, and I put it on this. Now it is coming as 53. Same for other countries also. Here what I have to do, I am pressing F4, I am freezing the P3. So because that will be common for all this particular, I'm just selecting and pressing Ctrl D. So now it will give me a number of count which says Canada, all the products having high as a discount band. And for France there are 45, Finland there are 0, Iceland there are 0, for USA there are 51. Similarly, we can apply the same function again here, and then we can select the country, comma, as a reference I have selected this second discount band as a column, and then I'm now selecting medium and pressing F4 to freeze this particular cell. And now just select it and press Ctrl D. So it will just copy paste the above formula into the below cells. Now you can see it has given me the value for Canada country. There are total 44 products where the discount band is medium. So likewise we can prepare it, and in case if there are any other columns added or data added into our this table, this formula will get auto populated. So in this video we have seen how to use COUNTIFS in Excel. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it. Thanks.